Yo, guys, what the fuck is up in this crazy YouTube venture? En de Jella is een snelle en hij moet er soms eens bellen. Want die kerst kan goed tellen. En ik heb nog een haken te bellen. Want je moet mijn gaming sheet ook checken, hè? De old video's, ik was pro gamer vroeger. En je ziet dat je belangrijk bent van I'm important, I know I'm important. I'm gonna show you a deck. I'm gonna build the seven archangels. And yes, I didn't sleep for 4 days. 3 hours in 4 days. The last full moon was so difficult. But I was horny as fuck, man, with these sexy nurses here. Oh man, this character is a sexy nurse. I can move over because she's Ginger. Gingers don't have souls. I need a soul deck. A soul deck. I'm gonna use the Stregione. The knife. What is a soul deck? What do you need? Soul decks. You need ghosts in soul decks. Wait a second though. This here. And this is a deck. Okay, let's try it. People. Benji!
Don't call me princess. You want to win the crown for...
EMP on my shit. dick stuff. And they always use that email because yeah, I got that. This is a bad dick. Bad dick. Bad dick. Ah, the picker overlord. And the backdoor queens. I'm using the backdoor queens, and the backdoor queens go away. I went to farm a pancake. Pancakes. I need pancakes. Pancake. Okay, let's move him out. Move him out. Something. Oh, he can damages. Oh, 7 minutes. You're watching 7 minutes. The 7 minutes watching the pool. To put you and me to the day. guys, that was it. Okay guys, check out all my other videos, and apparently I'm the chosen one, but it's just a name. It's just social media, and this is gaming, and gaming is fun. My friends and we play together in my room here in the hospital. I need to gain more views and more watch time, so I hope you watch this video fully and go check my channel Bjorn to be Wild, Humoristus Trapistus and Belgian Templar and Inspire Esquire and Ascended Artist. That are all my channels. Thank you for watching.